thank you, Honey Owl, for these amazing moccasins that you made for me.
You're welcome, my dear.
My mom has made them for me.
Yes.
If you want to know more about these moccasins, go on the channel Honey and Anna, and you'll find a lot of models that my mom, Honey Owl, is doing. Click translation and you get a lot of models, a lot of fashion of knitted shoes, moccasins, slippers, ballets, flats, everything you would imagine. I like this music, it's fun. Reminds me of summertime, especially with my sunny outfit. Because why do I think it's sunny? Because it's colorful, it's joyful, isn't it? So yeah, let's